ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Welcome everybody, this is episode 10 of this series, and today we are going to make the Cobble Hill. Pretty excited to make this cocktail because anytime you hear the names Milk and Honey and Sasha Petrasky, you know the cocktail is going to be good. And thank you to all my recent subscribers. We've hit the magic 300 number. Pretty pleased with that. So in today's cocktail we've got Rye Whiskey, Amaro Montenegro, and a Dry Vermouth. So grab a mixing glass for this one, and we're going to add 2 slices of cucumber and give this a good muddle. And once your cucumber is nicely muddled, we're going to go in with 2 ounces of your rye whiskey. We're then going to do half an ounce of Amaro Montenegro. And half an ounce of Dry Vermouth. We're using Dolin. Add ice to your mixing glass. And we're going to stir for 15 to 30 seconds. And then because we muddled the cucumber, we're going to double strain this one into a chilled coupe. And garnish for this one, grab yourself a strip of cucumber. Make it all fancy like, put onto a pick. See that one? What do you think? The Cobble Hill, let's give it a little sip. Okay, first thoughts, it's very spirit forward. You can really taste the spiciness of the rye. There's herbal notes from the Amaro, and can't really taste the vermouth. Cucumber comes through right at the end though. It's a very interesting cocktail. Gotta say, this is a cocktail with a lot of layers. So just checking the book, it says it's kind of like a lighter take on a Manhattan. I can definitely see that. All right, there you go folks, the Cobble Hill. Give this one a try. See you in the next one. Cheers.